खाना सामने रखा हुआ था।
The food was placed out in front. The food was placed out in front.
इसने कई घंटे पढ़ाई में गुजारे।
He spent several hours studying. He spent several hours studying.
ताम गाह चंद कदम के फासले पर थी।
The restaurant was within walking distance. The restaurant was within walking distance.
इसे चंद बार रोका गया।
She was interrupted a few times. She was interrupted a few times.
इसने मुस्कुरा कर हाथ मिलाया।
He smiled and shook his hand. He smiled and shook his hand.
बिल्ली फौरन खौफजदा हो गई।
The cat grew frightened immediately. The cat grew frightened immediately.
वो भागी हालांकि डरने की कोई बात नहीं थी।
She ran even though there was nothing to fear. She ran even though there was nothing to fear.
मुझे खाना खाए हुए घंटे गुजर चुके थे।
It had been hours since I ate. It had been hours since I ate.
वो कभी-कभी खिड़कियों से अंदर आ जाते थे।
They sometimes got in through the windows. They sometimes got in through the windows.
वो मुलाकात के लइएन के घर गया।
He went to his house for a visit. He went to his house for a visit.